Tyson, what are you eating? Some squash? Daddy feeding you?
Ready? Here comes some more. Tyson. Tyson.
Let's move back a tiny bit this way. Are you eating? Yummy.
I'm a little messier than Mama.
Oh, you like that squash, huh? Mom tasted it. It was actually pretty good.
Tyson, open.
Good job.
Your tongue gets
Good job, buddy.
Hey, messy face.
Is that yummy?
Oh boy. Open.
Tyson.
Open.
Tyson.
Open.
Too busy watching your sisters, huh? What are you doing, Ava? Hey, you're supposed to be sitting down eating. Tyson.
You want a little bit more?
Sophie and Ava, what are you doing?
Eating.
Tyson.
Eating.
Tyson.
What are you eating?
A burrito.
A bean burrito? Mm-hmm. Homemade, the best, huh? What are you eating, Soph?
Chips.
You gonna go back to gymnastics today and do like tryouts? See how good you are?
Messy, messy, messy.
Let's open the thing a little bit. It's kind of dark in here.
Hold on, I'm gonna wipe your face.
There, it's a little bit better. Alright.
Bye, Mom. No.
Tyson.
Ava. Ava. Say bye. Alright, Tyson. Do you eat it all?
Mostly. I don't know, just started
Alright,
grabbing
bye-bye.
on this.
You can finish it and we'll clean them up and then finish it.